Namaskara, hello, Pudionme. I warmly welcome you all to Solmelu Studios. Or should I say, Nikle Materekla Solmelu Studios Yano Mokedi Edukonwe. If you ever felt a string of pride thinking of Tulunadu, or if you are somebody who likes to do a deep dive into different cultures and learn new languages and new scripts, then this channel is for you. Today, October 10th, is the World Tulu Script Day, and there is no other better day to launch our mission of bringing the beauty of Tulu language and Tulu script to the digital world. Learning a new script can be a massive and daunting task. A lot of letters and symbols to memorize even before you start writing your first set of words in a language. This means a lot of dedicated hours of linear studying time. But what if you don't have that kind of time to devote to a linear studying curriculum? At Solmelu Studios, we do things differently. Our videos are short, sharp, impactful, and always under 10 minutes. We use a non-linear method of teaching, which means in our lessons, we just don't focus on teaching you ABCs for a long time. Instead, we dive right in to learn to write a beautiful Tulu word, one Tulu word in each video. And in the process of learning to write a word, Tulu, you will actually learn to write few Tulu letters, few Tulu diacritic marks or matras, ligatures, and consonant conjuncts, also known as kutaksharas or samyuktaksharas. The Tulu script is rich with ligatures and kutaksharas. We will make the process of learning Tulu a journey or discovery and not a chore. Our videos will be bilingual, that is a mixture of English and Tulu, so that whether if you are a Tulu speaker, Tulunadu Tulueru, or migrants, or part of the global diaspora of Tuluvas, you will easily understand these lessons. Beyond the instructions of teaching the script, we'll also explore related concepts like Tulu phonology, that is the sound of Tulu language, and eventually we will introduce videos in conversational Tulu so that we can all become fluent in speaking Tulu. We are dedicated to delivering you a fresh, engaging video every single week. So don't miss out this journey to revive and celebrate our roots. Hence, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification and join the Solmelu Studios community. Thank you for watching this video. Please share it with your family and friends so we can all get together and learn Tulu one word and one video at a time. Solmelu.